Hey guys, welcome to my channel, my YouTube channel. This is Auntie How Do I. Today we are going to talk about a pressure cooker, how to assemble a pressure cooker. This is an explosive pressure cooker. It is 9 liters. We also have 5 liters, 7 liters, 9 liters. There is also 11 liters. It depends on your purpose for using it. This is a 9-liter one. This is how it comes. This is the box that it originally comes with. This is not the first time I'm using it, but I've just placed it in this box so that you can know how it comes and how to reassemble it, because it's not assembled. This is the lid. This is the lid of the pressure cooker. It's an explosive. You can as well see it's not assembled. This is the manual. The importance of this video is because this manual is not written in English. This is the pot itself. This is the pot from the box. Put it aside. These are the things that you're supposed to assemble in this pressure cooker for it to be able to be used. We have those ones. We have this one. This one is also very essential. And then you have these bolts. And this is how they come. Each bolt with a ring. That is how it's supposed to be. And now I believe you can all see how it is not assembled. We are going to assemble it from now on. And so I'll stop talking so that we can get into business. These are the handles. So these are the bolts that are used to assemble it to the pot. Make sure you align it, this hole with this one. You will also need a star screwdriver so that you can be able to place this bolt right inside that hole that you have seen it. You have 2 bolts in each handle. Make sure you have tightened it enough, because these are the handles that you'll be using. You wouldn't want to cook and then at the end of it all, these handles get detached, because the moment you handle it, if it's not well placed, it will detach and you will lose what you had cooked. You go to the other one. Same process. The last one. Now, this is how your pot should look like. I've told you that the handle should be intact and they should be very stable. Now we go to the lid. The lid is also not assembled. You'll have to assemble it. This one, this part, belongs to this hole. Make sure that it is tight enough, because this one is originally non-explosive, this pressure cooker. But then if you do not assemble these things well, the moment what you're cooking, the steam is too much, it will explode. And so to prevent that, make sure that this one is also assembled very well. It's supposed to get into that hole. We have this one also. This one goes here. You just press it inside. It doesn't have so much. You just press it inside. And now, this is our pressure cooker. This is our lid. This is our pot. How to use it? We have these ends. You will notice that in your pressure cooker, we have two sides. This side is enclosed and then this one is opened. So you'll use this side to bring it together to the ears of the pot. And then to make sure that everything is well, you rotate this upper part clockwise. And when you rotate clockwise, it stabilizes the lid and the pot. You do it clockwise so that you can make sure that this part is well fitted to the ears of the pot. We are good to go. So your pot is ready, your pressure cooker is ready, and you can now start using it. But before you do this, make sure assemble, because failure to that, once the pressure is accumulated inside this pot and you have not assembled your pressure cooker well, the pressure will make this pot explode, the lid will come out, and then the content inside will spill out. You really don't want that, because after all, you've bought this pressure cooker so that you can make your time in the kitchen easier and more fun. So thank you for watching us, and I believe you now have the whole process of assembling a non-explosive pressure cooker.